Welcome in next episode. This is episode 4 and will be how to do entities and how to do the database. But there will be some know-how that I will show you then on Hero because it will save you a lot of time, and I think that's the thing that you should be paid for, but it shouldn't be more much. So let's first talk about how to do entities properly. As you can see, uh, yeah, no, this is not a good entity to show, but maybe this. Yeah, I have like a good ID. That's a must because if you want to mm, have a scalable database, you will you can use Postgre, but I'm using like Cockroach, and you should have this good ID. Yeah, because auto increment does not work properly on scaled database or multiple databases. Yeah. Now, what's the must? As said in previous video, I don't have any nested object here. I have mm, a reason. I have a very good reason for it because when you want to uh, cache this entity, you can give it or put it to cache with no worries because you don't have to carry about nested objects. That's one thing. Uh, when I'm doing uh, when I'm doing a data model in the same file, I'm also doing this. It's its own configuration, so I uh, see it in one file. So it does not have like complexity. I will create indexes and properties and set max lengths and so, and then mm, I have to create or I will register it into DB context. And as you can see, I have also registered audit tables, but this will be for the next video. It will save you time with creating like history or audit table, and I have it like here, audit. I will not show you it now, but later, and I'm generating like all the stuff, and it works very nice. So I have to also create the repository to make it work. So I have many repositories, but every repository is the same. It's empty. And I have two repositories because, or read only and normal, because you can have like multiple read replicas. So you can read on or read with queries only from read replicas and write only to master replicas. This is very good in Postgre. This project is in Postgre, but those things that I'm telling you it also works on Cockroach, and all next projects will be in Cockroach. And to move like from Postgre to Cockroach, you have to have GUID and create timestamp. But this will be in next video. This is just about how to create entity, yeah, to not have nested objects, to have a configuration in one file. So every entity have its own configuration, so you can easily see what's configured. Many people have it all in this on model creating. Yeah, but in this on model creating, you have to register all configuration from assembly, and it will do its job. Yeah, audit. I will show it in the next video. Yeah, and the repository. Mhm. Um, I have like a repository base that uh, that is doing its job. I will not show the code. This code will be on Hero. But in this repository, I have every request monitored. Also, every request is monitored in cache monitoring, cache metrics, where I can then easily do cache recommendations only for only for um, relevant methods or relevant calls. So we and also it recommends me the total time to live. So I have the execution monitored, I have it logged, I have it tracked or traced, and I'm sending also metrics to Grafana and Prometheus. Uh, so this do its job, and everything you need to do is to register register. Where I have it, music service. You have to register all repository base things, and then when you create like new entity, you just create an empty repository that is inheriting from a repository base, and you can do it for read-only context, and that's all. Then in my features, the next the next videos will be also about this. Let's see, maybe this get all company handler, and here I have only injected this repository that's, yeah, empty, and and I'm using its methods. It's working very well. I have built many production applications on it, and it's really fast because, as I showed before in previous video, when you have to create every method and everything, it will take you like hours on every repository. So this will save you days, maybe months in your career. So this one will be on Hero Hero. So I think have a nice day.